Sometimes, you expect a lot from someone because you know you do much for them. You expect a lot for someone kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na kapag siya nag-request sa'yo, gagawin mo lahat, ibibigay mo buong oras mo without any hesitation. You will show up, you give everything you have, but then time again, papatunayan mo sa'yo na hindi dapat mong ginawa yon. Pag hindi ginawa yon, the same thing na ginawa for them, you start questioning yourself. Enough ba yung pagmamahal na binigay ko, na realize niya kaya o nakita niya ang mga bagay na ginawa ko para sa kanya? Kasi bakit siya parang hindi niya kayang gawin lahat ng ginawa ko para sa kanya? It's painful when someone does not meet you halfway, especially when you have gone in the distance from them. Pero tandaan mo, doon sa heartbreak na doon, there is a truth that reveals itself. You deserve the same kind of love you give. You deserve someone who cares and as deeply, who show up, kaya ng ginawa mo para sa kanya, and if don't, remember, it's not a reflection of your words, but of what you're capable giving. Okay lang yun. Ibigay mo lang lahat ng kaya mong ibigay, pero wag mo limutan magtira sa sarili mo.